Hey everyone, welcome back. Is all Subway Surfers refusing to install, update, or download the newest season because of storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to General inside settings, then go to iPhone storage, and let this list fully load. Then scroll through and identify your largest unused apps. Subway Surfers needs few gigabytes free to just install its Siri and character assist. So tap offload app on a few large apps you do not use often, which removes the apps but it keeps the data. Also check Photos app since large photo and video libraries are common hidden storage hog. Once you freed up few error, still shows. Once you freed up a few gigabytes, go back to the App Store and try installing or updating Subway softwares. Again, if the error still shows even with the free space available, restart your phone completely since this resets how operating calculates available storage and clears stock storage space. So all you gotta do is free up few gigabytes in storage, offload unused apps, and restart if needed. Subway software installs and updates cleanly, and that's it. Subscribe.